How to move a file in Python. How would I do the equivalent of mvsrc **dest/ in Python?
os.rename, os.replace, or shootil.move. All employ the same syntax. The file name, file.foo, must be included in both the source and destination arguments. If it differs between the two, the file will be renamed as well as moved. The directory within which the new file is being created must already exist. On Windows, a file with that name must not exist, or an exception will be raised, but os.replace will silently replace a file even in that occurrence. shootil.move simply calls os.rename in most cases. However, if the destination is on a different disk than the source, it will instead copy and then delete the source file.
For either the os.rename or shootil.move, you will need to import the module. No star character is necessary to get all the files moved. We have a folder at /op/awesome called source with one file named awesome.txt. We used os.list that to see that the folder name in fact changed. Here's the shootil moving the destination back to source. This time I checked inside the source folder to be sure the awesome.txt file I created exists. It is there. Now we have moved a folder and its files from a source to a destination and back again.
Although os.rename and shootil.move will both rename files, the command that is closest to the Unix mv command is shootil.move. The difference is that os.rename doesn't work if the source and destination are on different disks, while shootil.move is files disk agnostic.
This is what I'm using at the moment. You can also turn this into a function that accepts a source and destination directory, making the destination folder if it doesn't exist, and moves the files. Also allows for filtering of the src files. For example, if you only want to move images, then you use the pattern *.jpg. By default, it moves everything in the directory.
Much of the job, Dreamlands is